Meaning of IndyCar racing.
IndyCar racing.
IndyCar racing.
IndyCar racing.
IndyCar racing. IndyCar racing is a type of open-wheel car racing that takes place primarily in the United States. The cars used in IndyCar racing are specially designed for high-speed oval and road courses, featuring lightweight bodies and powerful engines that can reach speeds well above 200 miles per hour. IndyCar racing is known for its intense competition and thrilling finishes, with races often being won or lost by mere fractions of a second. The Indianapolis 500, the most prestigious race in the IndyCar series, is considered one of the crown jewels of motorsports and attracts fans and drivers from around the world.